Get ready with me while I talk about literally everything wrong with my life. It's been almost a year since I moved from my small town in West Texas to Las Vegas, and my lease is coming up, and I made the decision to move back to Texas. I liked Vegas at first. It was pretty fun, and there's palm trees. It was pretty compared to where I'm from. The reason I even moved out there in the first place was to go to makeup school and become a makeup artist, which I did and I love, and I have no regrets about that, and I will continue to do that. But I don't think I want to do that in Vegas. And there's nothing like wrong with Vegas necessarily to me. I mean, I had good times, I made some friends, made some memories, but it is not a place I want to build a career and stay my whole life, and giving that up would literally break my heart. So before I'm balls deep in it, I'm gonna go back. And you just kind of have to be 21 to do a lot of the things there. Like, a lot of jobs are 21 plus. Of course, all the clubs and all the Vegas things are 21. And I'm only 18, so I have a long time before I'm there. But no way in hell am I moving back to my small town. So I chose Frisco. It's right by Dallas. It's like the perfect size city for me, because Vegas was a little too big at times, and I don't know, it just wasn't for me. I found myself wanting to come home literally like every weekend, which I couldn't do because I have to book a flight home, which is expensive and a pain in the ass, like, you don't understand. But there has been a lot of good things that came out of it. I mean, I found a lot of things out about myself that I wouldn't have found out if I didn't move there. And I gained a lot of confidence by doing it, because, I mean, who the fuck can move like 15 hours from home and be okay? I went back and forth like every day, like, oh, I love it here today, I'm gonna stay, and then I'd have a bad day and be like, oh no, get me the hell home. But overall, I think I will be a lot happier being closer to family. I have so much family in Dallas. I also have a few friends going to college in the same area-ish, so I can go visit them and go be feral with them. At first, I wanted to move to Austin, and then I went and looked at apartments there and realized I would literally die there, so that wasn't an option. Also, I'm painting myself a different shade, shut up. And I almost feel like a failure for moving back, which I shouldn't at all. I don't know, I just fully envisioned myself living there and like starting a career there, and that's where I was gonna be. But sometimes you're wrong, and that's okay. All I had to say is thank God for my roommate, because if I didn't have her, I don't think I would have been okay at all, because we did literally everything together. So shout out to her. But I wouldn't change it, because now I appreciate my family like 20 times more. Just Texas overall. I mean, like, if you're not from Texas, you don't get it. I just wish I could go back in time and tell myself to be more appreciative of like the things I had and my family and my friends, because it's hard doing that shit without them, and I miss it. But I think the whole experience has made me a little bit better of a person, so that's good. But I move out in like 10 days, and I'm not in Vegas, and I have not packed a single box, so that's really stressful. But I'll be fine. When I moved, I packed everything up in like a week, so I can do it again. I haven't closed on my new apartment yet, but I'm pretty sure I found the one. It's checked all my boxes, and it's in the cutest little like neighborhood area. It's like a little community. It has a standalone shower and tub, which I'm way too excited about. I missed my stand-up shower so much. I'm so excited to say y'all without getting made fun of too. It's so annoying. I also forgot to mention I moved out there when I was 17, so I was still a minor, and I literally couldn't go to like the doctor or do basically anything. And I think that's a big reason I felt so out of place, was because I couldn't do anything without someone holding my hand, and I hate that. So Texas boys are also so much cuter than Vegas boys, and just so much more well-mannered. I'm not finding a husband there ever. I don't feel like complaining anymore about it, so I'm gonna talk about some of the good things that I did. So I already mentioned I went to makeup school, but I do the graduation ceremony in October, so I have to go back out there for that. And I'm really excited. I get to walk a stage, which I've never done because I did online school, and that's why I graduated a whole year early too. I went to my first ever rave, which was a Shrek rave, mind you, and that was an experience that I will never forget. So I also went to this festival called Lovers and Friends, which was literally so much fun. I just wish I prepared better the night before, because me and my roommate for no reason decided we were gonna get hammered, and I was so violently hungover, and we ate one Popeye's chicken tender before, had our phones on 20%, no portable charger, and went to the festival. And I still had a great time. Flo Rida's set, let me show you. Like, he was literally right there. And that clock he is wearing is Flava Flav's. He gave it to him on stage, and I peed my pants because he was wearing a neon green suit, and it was great. But yeah, I feel great after talking about my life, and now strangers on the internet know too, so. Here's my makeup, it's the same as always.